Coach Hunter here, and shockingly enough, 80% of you are gonna fail at your New Year's resolutions this year. But in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 tips to make sure that you succeed. That's right, surprisingly enough, over 80% of us are gonna fail at our New Year's resolutions this year. And we don't always think about our big goal as being broken down into separate habits, but they really are. And science and research has shown that if you take on over 3 habits at one time, your chance for success goes down to less than 5%. Whereas if you just focus on that one habit that you can really be consistent with, your chance for success in reaching that end goal goes 80% and beyond. So now let me help you with 3 tips to make sure you reach your weight loss goal in 2020. So the first habit I want you to adopt this year is just breaking a sweat. And there was a movement at the end of last year called 100 Days of Sweat that literally just focused on how can you break a sweat. And it doesn't matter what you do. You could be walking outside, you could be going to the gym. Look, I know you're busy, you've got a lot going on, whether it be your job, whether it be taking care of the kids. It's hard to fit in time for exercise, but I know you set a big goal for yourself this year and I want to help you achieve that. So now that you've been sweating for 30 days, it's time to put your second habit into place. And that habit is keeping a food diary. Keeping a food diary is so helpful and gonna help you reach that goal because it's gonna pique your awareness around those foods that you're putting in your body on a daily basis. And without having to think about proteins or carb cycling or all those crazy things out there, it's just going to basically allow you to eliminate those foods that you don't want in your life anymore out of your diet. Look, I know you're busy, I know there's a lot going on, but you can do this, and we're gonna make this extremely easy for you in a video that we make in the future. So, moving on to the next habit, number 3. It's time to get intentional. So look, 60 days you've been sweating, and 30 days you've been keeping track of your diary, which means you're feeling better, you've got all this energy, and even more importantly, you've got momentum going for you in the right direction. And look, this is our own journey. Not that we're comparing ourselves to other people, but most people are out of the race by now. So, high five right here. When I say getting intentional, all I mean is you may have noticed that your results may have started to plateau a little bit now that you've been doing the same thing for a while. And now this gives you the opportunity to take a more specific path down, something that may interest you more, something that's fun, and again, that you can maintain, not only for the 60 days, but for the rest of your life. So maybe you want to go and run a 5K. Great, sign up for the Couch to 5K app on your phone, or go find a local running group and you can get started doing that. Maybe you want to lift weights and get strong. Well, sign up for a gym and maybe look for a powerlifting meet that you can start to train for. There's so many different opportunities out there for you to get intentional. So that is your next habit. Get committed on a direction and it's gonna change what your results look like for 2020. Guess what? I've got a bonus 4th tip / habit for you. And what it is to get yourself around like-minded people, around a community who has similar goals to you. Maybe, like I mentioned before, you want to go and run a mile or run a 5K. There is an entire community in your local area that is going to help you step by step reach your goal in that area. And when things may seem like they get a little tough or they go up and down, which is going to happen, I promise you that, and it's completely normal, you're going to have a support system there to help keep you going. Same thing with powerlifting, same thing with canoeing, skiing. Every community out there is gonna be there for you. So go find that community. And we also have a community here online. In the link in the description below, you can join our free hybrid fitness page where you'll be connected to other people just like you looking to transform their lives and make their weight loss goal a reality. Thank you so much for staying with me there for this whole video. Hopefully that gives you some guidance for your 2020 to make it truly your best year. And I want to remind you that we've got more videos coming up very soon to really dive into those specific habits. So again, how to track, how to get sweating every single day, and of course, how to get specific, how to get intentional. So if you did like this video, please, I would appreciate it so much if you hit that like button below. Also, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you get access to our videos as soon as they come out. And finally, if you do want some extra help with the tracking habit that we talked about earlier, I have everything you need in the 14-day fat loss accelerator. It's completely free and you can find that in the link in the description below. Be happy to send that your way. You just drop your name and your email. So again, thank you so much. Have a great day, and remember, small steps, big results.